Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator Divya Miss. Children, today we will continue our chapter 4 in maths, that is subtraction. Children, open page number 58. Remember now, we have already learnt addition on number line, and today we will learn subtraction on the number line. Let's read, children. Like addition, we can also subtract on the number line. Children, yesterday we learned subtraction with cross out the objects. We crossed out the objects and did the subtraction. Today we will do subtraction on number line. This is called number line, on which number has written. For example, from 7 take away 4. Children, look at here. Here is a 7 number and we had to take out 4. So, what did we do? We go back 4 steps because we need to minus 4. So, we went back 4 steps. Start from 7 and jump 4 steps backward. You reach 3. From 7 we will go back 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps back, and then after we get number 3. So the answer is 3. Now let's do the sums and understand it. Use the number line to do this subtraction. From 8, take away 3. What we will do, children? Look at here again. From 8, take away 3. That means 8 minus 3. We have to minus 3 from 8. 8 minus 3. Now, we will start with the number 8. So, to get remember it, what I will do? I will make it a circle on 8. And now, I have to minus 3. So, we will go backward 3 steps. Remember, children, 3 steps backward. In addition, what did we do? We go forward. In subtraction, we will go backward. Remember, we will take our car in reverse gear. 3 steps backward. 1 step, 2 step and 3 steps backward. And I reach at number 5. So the answer is 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Now you understand, children? Let's do the another sum. From 9, take away 2. 9 minus 2. What I will do? I will circle 9 first because we will start with the number 9. And now I will go back. I will take my car in reverse gear with 2 steps because we have to minus 2. I will go 2 steps back. 1 step, 2 steps back, and I reach at 7 number. So the 7 is answer. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Isn't it easy, children? You will understand it more clearly as you do the sums. Okay? From 6, take away 5. 6 minus 5. What I will do, children? We will circle 6 first because we will start with the number 6. And now I have to minus 5. So I will go 5 steps backward. 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do I reach? I reach at number 1. So 1 is the answer. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Let's come on next page. Page number 59. From 5, take away 3. What I will do? 5 minus 3, so we will circle 5. If you will not do the circle, then also it is right. It is not compulsory to make a circle. But we do circle so that we will start with this number. Now, I have to go back 3 steps. 3 number go back. 1, 2 and 3 steps backward. I reach at number 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. From 7, take away 5. So, if I will circle the 7, it will be easier for me to start with the 7. So, I circle the 7. Now, I will minus 5. So, I will go backward 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps backward and I will get number 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. From 9, take away 7. 9 minus 7. So, we will start with the number 9 and we'll go backward 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where do I reach, children? I reach at number 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Children, do more and more practice. Do more and more sums on number line and then after you will clear it. From 4, take away 2. From 4, take away 2. So, 2 steps back. I will reach at number 2. 2 is the answer. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. From 9, take away 4. 9. So, we will start with the number 9. We will circle the 9 number so that it will be easier to go backward from number 9. And how many numbers we will go backward? 4. 4 steps we will go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will reach at number 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5.